All right, guys, I got a special one. Two of the most iconic G-bodies built. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. And 1987 Buick Grand National with T-tops. You know, after 86, they did come intercooled, so she does have a little bit more horsepower. Paint is in great shape. You know, the Buick Grand National debuted in 1982. And it was named after NASCAR's Winston Cup Grand National Series. Buick won the Manufacturers' Cup in 1981 and 1982 and wanted to capitalize on its success. And they wanted to revive the performance image from the 60s. And the first Grand National was two-tone black and gray paint. In 1983, it wasn't a Grand National. In 84, they came back with all black iconic paint. She's absolutely beautiful, guys. Interior is in great condition. She got the bucket seats and console. Seats has no tears, rips, or stains. Lower dash. Upper dash has no opportunity. Let's start her up. As y'all can see, she got the boost gauge. She reads a little over 84,000. And there she is, the turbocharged Buick V6, backed by a 4-speed automatic. High brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Now let's check out this 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. If you know, the 86 model is the lowest production G-body with only 200 made. 87, it was 6,052, making it very rare. And they have a direct link to NASCAR. Without NASCAR, we wouldn't have the Monte Carlo SS on the G-body platform. The Monte Carlo SS was discontinued on the A-body platform in 1971 and reappeared on the G-body platform in 1983 because Chevy wanted to dominate on the NASCAR track. And they came up with this front nose that was aerodynamic. And they wanted to make it more aerodynamic on the track. So along came the Aerocoupe. And the G-bodies was used in Generation 3 of NASCAR. One of the best generations in my opinion. T is absolutely beautiful. She got bucket seats, console. Sport gauges. Headliner good. Back seat is in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. Let's start her up. She got a small block Chevy, backed by a 4-speed automatic, high brakes, AC, power steering, So what you guys think of these two bad G bodies? It's amazing that they both in the same location. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. It's hard to beat a well-built G body. Y'all guys have a good one.